Hello, Praisers and Savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading into CVS. Today is June the 25th, and these sales run until next Saturday. So, I've been doing giveaways on my channel lately, and today I'm doing a giveaway for a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card. If you don't have Chick-fil-A, we'll get you a different gift card. But all you have to do to get this gift card is to comment below. Comment your favorite deal of the day. Comment any questions you may have, and you'll be entered to win this gift card. So I have had a bunch of people commenting, and I have a bunch of winners. So I'm super excited about that. So today I have 11 deals to share with you. And I only spent $28 at CVS, which is amazing because my total was $113 and I only spent $28. So can't wait to share these deals with you. If you are new here, please go ahead and smash that like button. Click the subscribe button and also that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming out. Oops, who's listening to me? Also, if you do not have any of the rebate apps, Swagbucks, IBOTTA, Shopkick, Fetch, any of those, there is a link in the description box below, so go check those out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on some deals. I totally forgot to mention the winner of the last week's CVS video. This goes to Sarah Preston. Sarah, please email me. My email is in the description box. I can't post my email on the YouTube video itself. YouTube will not let me. But look in the description box for my email. Send me an email and I'll send you your gift card. So super excited for you, Sarah. And thank you so much for watching and commenting. Guys, it helps when you comment. It helps when you like the videos. It helps when you watch the videos all the way through. You guys know that we have a ministry where we give back. And I'm working on getting some things, some toiletries for our local high school because they need them. So over the summer, I'm working on that. I did want to mention this. A lot of you have commented that you're not getting the threshold coupon where if you spend so much, you get so much off. So this was the one I got last week, 15 off 75, and I also got it this week. Now, what I do to get this coupon is I will I'll do a small transaction. So like I will just like, if I'm, I'll have different transactions, but I'll just do a small one and then this will print off at the end. So I would just, if you have shampoo you're getting today or whatever, just go ahead and buy that shampoo and you should get this CRT. Now remember, CRT coupons can be used with your other coupons as well. All right, the first deal we have is on the Skintimate razors. These are usually $8.69 each, but they're on sale for $7 or 2 for $14. So then you're going to buy 2 of them. You're going to use this $5 coupon on the CVS app. This is a manufacturer coupon on the CVS app. And then you're also going to get back $4 in extra care bucks. So with the $5 manufacturer coupon and the $4 in extra care bucks, your total is going to be $5 or $2.50 per pack of razors. I've been stocking up on some Old Spice deodorant, and I plan to donate some of this to the high school like I said before. Now this Old Spice deodorant is going to be just $1.90 each. What you're going to do is you have a threshold limit of spending $15. When you do, you'll get back the $5 in extra care bucks. So what I did was I got 2 of these Old Spice sweats. They're $8.29. The total was $16.58. We have a $3 coupon that can be used on Old Spice and just other Gillette deodorants. And then we're also, like I said, getting back that $5 in extra care bucks. In addition to that, we have a high-valued IBOTTA rebate for $2.50 per stick of deodorant. So that'll be $5 back in IBOTTA. So with the $3 coupon, the $5 back in extra care bucks, and the $5 back in IBOTTA, your total will be $3.58 or $1.90 each. So I'm running low on this Colgate mouthwash in my stockpile. This is my favorite. These are going to be just $1.49 each. Now, if you don't need mouthwash, you can do this deal on the toothbrushes. So these are usually $5.59. We're picking 2 up for $4.99. The total is going to be $9.98. Now, we have a $1 coupon from the Coupons app or ShopMe'em. There's one on each. And then we also have a $1 coupon on the CVS app. And like I said, you could either do the mouthwash or the toothbrushes. So that's going to make the total $2.98 or $1.49 each. We have a moneymaker on the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brows. I usually don't get these, but these are great to sell for like $1 if you're doing like little flea markets or yard sales. We do have this $3 off 10 cosmetics, hair, or skin care coupon, CRT, and then we also have a $4 off CoverGirl manufacturer. So that's $7 in coupons that we're going to be using on this deal. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 of these CoverGirls. It's $5.29 each. Your total will be $15.87 for 3 of them. We have this $3 and this $4 coupons, so that's $7 in coupons. And then we're also going to get back a high-valued $10 extra care buck. So with the $7 in coupons and the $10 in extra care bucks, this is going to be a moneymaker of $1.13 for these. So if this is something you really want to put in your stockpile to resell later, I think this is a decent deal on this. Now, the next deal is going to be on the General Mills fruit snacks. These are going to be $2 each. Now, be careful because I always want to run to the fruit roll-up ones, and I don't think those work. It has to be like the Gushers or the Scooby Snacks, the Betty Crocker ones. So these are usually $5.19. That's just crazy. So they're going to be 2 for $5, which is $2.50. We have a 50-cent coupon on the CVS app. I also know there's a 50-cent coupon on like ShopMe'em if you don't have that 50-cent coupon on your CVS app. And then we have a 25-cent back on IBOTTA. Because we're buying 2 boxes, we're going to get that 25-cent back twice. So that's 50 cents back. So you're going to get 50 cents on a coupon and 50 cents back from IBOTTA, making your total $4 or $2 each on these fruit snacks. Before I show you the next deal, I wanted to go over the 98% rule at CVS. And a lot of people don't know about this rule. So what this means is if the extra care buck deal says spend 20, get back $5. All right, you don't necessarily have to spend $20. If you look here, this chart, if it says spend $20, you really only have to spend $19.60. So you have to at least get to the 98% of that threshold to make it work. So on this next deal, I'm going to show you, I'm like 2 cents off from the $20 rule, and I still got my extra care bucks. So here it is. So these Tide Pods, what you're going to do for the Tide deal this week, if you spend $20, you'll get back $5. I only spent $19.98. I didn't spend $20, and I still got back the $5 in extra care bucks. So that's the 98% rule helps me here. So I got the Tide Pods. They're $12.99. We have a $3 manufacturer coupon on the CVS app. So it's going to make these Tide Pods $9.99 for these with the $3 coupon. And so I needed to get to $20. I'm already at $13 roughly. So the next thing I picked up was this Downy, and it was perfect because I had $13 on the Tide Pods, I had $7 on the Downy, and the 98% rule applies here. So on the Downy liquid, it was $6.99. I have a $1 manufacturer coupon on the CVS app. It's going to bring this down to $5.99. So I'm going to get the Tide Pods. I'm going to get the Downy liquid. I'm going to use the Tide Pod coupon, the $1 Downy liquid coupon, and then you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. I love it when they do the spend 20, get $5 back. It's one of my favorite extra care buck deals. It's a really good deal on the Scott paper towels this week. They're going to be $3.83 each. They could be cheaper for you, but I didn't have the coupons. These are usually priced at $11.29. I'm never going to pay that much for paper towels, but they're on sale for $5.49 each. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 packs. And the reason you're doing that is because you want to get to that $15 threshold. So when you pick up 3 packs, your total will be $16.47. You're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, making your total $11.47 or $3.83 each. Now, there are 50-cent coupons out there. I think what you do is you go to like the Scott Cottonelle website and you can sign up to get them. But I haven't done that. I'm not really going to do that for a 50-cent coupon, but you could get these even cheaper if you wanted to. So we have the Garnier Fructis whole blends. They're going to be just $1.50 each. This is a really easy deal to do. Usually these are $5.49, but they're on sale 2 for $8, so $4 each. You're going to pick up 2 of those. Your total is $8. We do have a $3 coupon on the CVS app. So super easy on that. You're going to use the $3 coupon on the CVS app, and then you're also going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So with the $3 coupon and the $2 extra care bucks, your total for these are going to be $3 or about $1.50 each. And I have another thing that's going to make it even cheaper. I'll show you in a moment. So the second thing you're going to do is you'll get the regular Garnier Fructis. It's the same deal, but it's a different coupon. So these are $4.59 usually. They're on sale 2 for $8 or $4 each. Picking up both of those at $8, we do have a $3 coupon on the regular Garnier. So these are 2 different coupons. You can do both of these. So you'll use a $3 coupon, and then you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So with a $3 coupon and the $2 back in extra care bucks, your total is going to be $3 for both of them, or just $1.50 each. Now, remember earlier when you saw the $3 off 10 for the cosmetics, hair, or skincare purchase. This is a CRT. This can be used as well as the manufacturer coupons. These are your store coupons that can be used as well. So the good thing about this coupon is you can either decide, do I want to use it on the makeup or do I want to use it on the shampoo? You can use it on different things, but you can only use it once. So you have to decide, am I going to use it on the CoverGirl or am I going to use it on the Garnier? And it's going to make your total even cheaper. So it's going to take the $3 off for you at the register. So I think that's a really awesome CRT. It's kind of versatile. We don't really see CRTs that go with multiple things like that. They usually, for specific shampoo or whatever it may be. Guys, please do not forget about the printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. Now, if you enjoyed this video today, please give me a comment below letting me know your favorite deal of the day. Smash that subscribe button and also that hit the like button and click the notification bell to all. Also, join me on my social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.